Hello friends, welcome back. This is Amit from Magnet, and today we are going to learn how to create VR video inside After Effects, and we're going to use Element 3D to create the 3D environment. So first take a look what we are going to create. But first I have to tell you that I don't have any VR, so I can show you how it look like inside VR, but I have my Android phone and I have installed an app called VR Media Player. So I do some screen recording from the app and I can show you how it look like inside VR. So first take a look those videos and then we can start our tutorial. So first take a look. So here we are in After Effects. So first we create the composition. So go to the composition, but instead we go to the new composition, we go to the VR composition and create VR environment. And now we choose the create new VR master, and here from you can change the frame size or whatever you want, and also change the frame rate and duration also. And we use two node camera, and we also use a null object to control the camera. So check this box, and because we are using Element 3D and which is a 3D plugin, so we're going to also check this box because I am using 3D plugin. So check this box and just click on create VR master. So and now we close this box. So we create the VR master cam controller, that is the null object for controlling our camera, and that is the VR master camera, and that is the composition that we just made. And create a new solid. So in this solid we're going to apply element effect. So click on that and go to the scene setup. So first we create our star field. So I create a sphere and increase the segment size and also increase the scale to about 10,000, and go to its material channel, go to its diffuse and load the texture. So I am using a star image for the texture, so that is star map, and hit OK. And also go to its illumination channel, check this box, that is use diffuse color and increase the intensity to about 100%. And also go to its settings tab and check this drop back face, and also decrease the glow amount and also uncheck those options, and AO mode we ignore that. And also go to its environment and choose the same image that we use for its texture and hit OK. So that is our 360-degree star map. And also we change the group to group number 5. So now create the planet. For this I am using Lucas pack, that is from Video Remel Media, and you can download this pack from their site, and it is very awesome model pack. And I am using the planet number 6. So just click on that and it will appear in the viewport. So click and drag this out from the group number 5 and place it to group number 1. Okay, and now I am going to also use some debris that is from the same model pack. Just click on that and also use this rock, and we're going to place those to group number 3 as well, and group number 3. Okay, and also use this high poly asteroid, so click on that and place it to group number 4. Okay, so our element 3D work is almost done, so hit OK. So here we are in After Effects. So first we change the settings for our planet. So go to the group number 1 and first we create a null object for it. So that is the null object for our planet. So press P on the keyboard, place our planet in a very far distance like this, and also increase its scale. Okay, so our planet placed so far away from us, and also increase its scale. So now we go to our change the settings for the debris. So our debris in place to group number 3. So first we change the replicator shape to plane, from plane point to plane, and increase the count like this, and also increase it shape, scale shape like this, and also increase its Z scale shape, and also the X scale shape as well. And now we go to its particle look option and decrease the size and increase the particle size randomness, and also go to the multi object option and enable it. And now our multi object is enabled, and now we can displace all the particle, and also it displays is this particle to X axis as well as Z axis, and again go to its replicator particle count, we increase the count like this, and maybe we can decrease the shape scale and also increase the X scale as well as the Z scale. So if we change our camera position by changing the position of our VR master camera control like this, we can run through our asteroid field like this. Okay, and also we can increase the Y shape for the debris. So go to its multi object again and increase the Y displacement little bit as well. So let's see, it look like this now. Okay, so now we change our settings for our asteroid. So our asteroid is placed in group number 4. So go to the group number 4 and go to its particle replicator, and also change it from point to plane and increase the count like this, and also increase the Z scale value as well as the X scale value like this, and also go to the scatter option and we scatter it like this, and also we go to its particle look and increase the shape size little bit, and increase the particle size randomness to 100%, and also go to the particle rotation and go to the randomized angle and increase all the rotation value in every angle. So let's see what we get now. So go to the VR master cam controller, and it look like this. Okay, so maybe we can change the scale for the replicator shape. So go to the group number 3 again and increase the Z axis scale, and also go to the group number 4, that is our asteroid, and also we increase the count and also increase the Z as well as the X. So our star field and our asteroid field look like this now. Okay, So now we create a light, that is our sun. So go to the light, and that will be a parallel light, and increase the intensity and hit OK. And now we place our sun to about right side like this. Okay, so we can create a camera for temporary camera to see how it look like. So just go create a new camera and press A, and we zoom out the scene and select the camera, and we can see the whole scene. So maybe our star field is not big enough, so if we create a null object first for our star field, so our star field is placed in group number 5, so create a null object for that. And if we increase the scale, and also if we go to the element layer and go to the render setting and go to the camera cut off, and if we increase the camera far plane, so now we can see a big star field for our scene. Okay, so that is the scene we just create. And if we increase the light intensity, so we select our light and press T to bring the intensity and increase the value like this. Okay, so it look like this. So now we animate our camera. So first we uncheck this camera, that is the temporary camera we just create to visualize our scene, and go to the VR master controller and create a keyframe. Just create a keyframe here and go to the very end and make another keyframe like this. So that is look like this. Okay, so now we can, so that is look like this now. So that is our scene, that our basic scene, that we just create a planet and some debris and also put a sun for this. And yes, we can also use optical flare to create our sun. So make a solid and go to the effect and preset panel and select optical flare for this, and go to the option, and maybe we use instead of using any preset, we just use first we clear all these presets and just select that and hit OK, and go to the source type, change it to from 2D to track light, and also decrease the scale and also the brightness. So if we enable our test camera here, and we can see the sun, and if we change this normal to add, so our scene look like this now. So our scene is almost ready. So now we create our VR composition. So again go to the composition and go to the VR and select this option again. So first you select this option, that is the create new VR master, but now we choose this option, that is create VR from current composition, and that is the composition, that is VR master, and that is the composition. So now we use 3D null camera control and also choose this that I am using 3D plugin and just create VR output. So it will take little time, and uh, that is the VR output that we just create. And now we use some glow on this. So because we are using VR videos, so we use this immersive videos effects, that is all effect that is built for VR videos. So other effect will not be compatible for this composition, only those effects are compatible for this. So if we select our composition and use this VR glow, and you can see it, the glow is applied. And if we change some settings here like this, if we increase the glow radius and decrease the threshold maybe, and if we change the tint color to something like warmish and use the tint color, and maybe we decrease the radius, and if we duplicate this and again we increase the threshold and increase the radius as well. So that is look like this now. So our VR video is almost ready, but we have to visualize how it look like in 360-degree. So in order to visualize this, we have to convert this video to 360-degree video. So go to the immersive video again, and we change this sphere to plane, because in this viewport we see the whole 360-degree frame inside this frame. So we have to change it first. So apply this effect, so click and drag. So here you can see our video normalizes the size. So now if we create a camera, so create a camera, and if we select the camera tool, and we can rotate the scene, and if we change the resolution to half, so you can see the 360-degree scene, but it is so laggy. If we choose the adaptive resolution, maybe it will work, but it is so laggy. So that is how you can visualize your 360-degree video like this. So our 360 video works well. So just delete the camera again, and also delete this effect before rendering. So now our video is ready to render. So now that is the main question, that how we rendered this. So in order to render a VR video, I am using media encoder. So select our VR master output, that is the output for our VR video. So go to the composition and go to add to Adobe Media Encoder queue. So here we are in media encoder. So go to the render setting here, and that is very important that we should check this box that is called video is VR, and also check this use maximum render quality, and if you have some audio, and also check this and hit OK, and also choose the render path, so maybe something whatever you want, and render this here out. If everything is right, your video is ready. So that is how we can create a 360-degree VR video inside After Effects and also use Element 3D to create the 3D environment. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please check my other videos too, and if you like this video, all my videos, please subscribe this channel. And that is the last video for this year 2020, and the next day is 2021, and wish you a very happy new year friends, and I hope you all doing well. So we'll see in the next video, and until then, take care and bye bye. So happy new year again. Let's enjoy this year.